All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. Today we are going to be stretching the Honda Dax with the man in the box kit, along with a steel braided black brake line, and then we have a sexy gloss black 420 chain that we're going to be using because the bike's getting stretched. Check out the over racing wheels that we got mounted on the other day. I think these things look absolutely gorgeous on this bike. I'm glad we went with this color and not the bronze. And then we also put on the Vortex rear sprocket with some driven racing nuts. So old girl should be getting I think it's 3 to 5 inch stretch, something like that. And then probably gonna call it a day on this build. All right, in order to take the rear tire off, axle bolt 14, 19 on the other side. And then we got the brake caliper off. That was a 8mm. And then we're gonna take the hardware out of here so we can slide these in. This is just a swing arm extension kit. All right, so we got the brake caliper off. We're about to remove the line. We got a bucket down here to catch some fluid. And then we'll run our new Spiegler, whatever line for the extension itself. And then we'll take the factory chain off, put the new one on, get everything lined up, and then we should have this stretch kit done in the next 15, 20 minutes. This shouldn't be more than an hour tops for this install. I've done this many a times on many different bikes. All right, on the brake caliper side, you have this piece. We're eventually gonna get lined up, but that's your bracket holding piece for your brakes. All right, we got the chain on. We took about 4 links off. As always, measure for yourself. We were gonna take 3 off, but we ended up with 4. We'll slide the stretch back, get everything tightened up, get the brake line on, get some fluid in her, and then we have us a stretched Honda Dax. Dude, that gold chain or that black chain is pimp. All right, so we just got done bleeding the brake. I'm gonna tell you right now, with these wheels and that over racing pipe, this bike looks sexy as all get out with the stretch, the nice all black chain with the Vortex sprocket. I think we're gonna call it a day on this unit. And also what's weird is this bike only has like 30 something miles on it and the dash went out. So we're gonna have to take this bad boy to Honda and get that fixed. Let me know if you guys have ever had that issue happen before. And if you want the stretch, you already know where to go. We got this bad boy. Actually, every part besides the oil cooler came from Man of the Box. The DHM kit, Man of the Box. The intake, Man of the Box. Oil cooler came from We Bike Japan. Rims came from Man of the Box as well. We just reused the factory tires, the extended brake line, the swing arm extension / stretch, Man of the Box, rear shocks, Man of the Box. They're tail tidy with that light, also Man of the Box. I think this thing turned out good, man. Oh, dude, that angle's it right there. All right, that's all the time we have for today's video. So leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys have ever had your dash go out like that. This is the first bike, and I've owned 4 or 5 of these mini bikes, never had the dash go out, let alone it only has 33 miles on it. But anyways, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace.